The guys at TooPro store sent me this wearable body camera with infrared vision. This is top of the line. This is really cool that such a small thing at this price point has IR night vision. Who would need something like this? Well, anyone that needs to document everything you do. Let's say you're a security. Oh, this is made sturdily. This is really nice. And let me show you what comes in the box. The camera, of course, and we'll talk about that. The card reader, it needs a SD card. The SD card is not included, so you need to buy it. And it comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable in order to charge the battery. It's a long life battery that lasts up to 8 hours, and it comes with this little pin when you need to reset the camera. So let me talk a little bit about this camera and what are the uses for it. And I want for you to look at the workmanship. This is really well made. I wish that you could feel that. Beautifully made. That's the lens right there. You see that? The lens is right there. It has a clip, and then these are the buttons when you want to do a one-touch recording. For infrared also, it has several buttons that control there. On this side, you're going to see other control buttons, but also this is where the SD card is going to be inserted. Now, who has a need for something like this? If you're a security guard, or even better, if you're a delivery person, you know, the delivery persons that do DoorDash and the other services that you do it on your bike, you have one of these cameras recording at all times, and then all your activities, all your iterations or interactions with clients when you drop off are going to be recorded. When you drop off packages, when you let's say that you are in an accident, right, and you have this camera on. Let's say that you're working as a security guard and you run into people that work in the people that work in the premise, or you run into people that are not supposed to be there. You have a wearable camera that will record all your transactions and interactions during the day for a long time. And the length of how long the recording is going to be is going to be dependent on what memory card you buy. Up to 64 is what it allows, so I recommend that you buy a high-speed, nice SD card. It comes with the clip, right? So you put the clip there, and you can angle the camera as you wish. You see, so you can clip it to yourself. You see, the clip is to the inside. You clip it to yourself, right? And then you turn the camera the other way, right? You can turn it the other way, or you see, because the camera, this is the camera right here. Right there is the camera, and it has a swivel, right? So you can, it has a 180 degree, you can change the angle of the lens 180 degrees. You see? So you go like this, and you put it up or you put it down. What I recommend is that if you have a belt, right? Let's say you have a belt, right? This is the belt. And then you clip on this. So you put the camera angle there. The belt is around the camera. And then you can be recording at all times, all your transactions. This is made out of really hard plastic. It has many hours. You can set it up so that it's motion detection, so that it detects motion. But the thing that I think is the coolest thing about this camera is the infrared night vision. For the price point, IR vision is amazing. You can set it up. I mean, you could wear this camera, but the truth is that if this is motion detection, right? This has motion detection. I guess it has a LiDAR chip in there that detects motion. And in that case, this can also be a security camera. So you set it up somewhere, and since it's infrared, it will record everything that moves around, from people, from your pets, from anything. But the fact that it has an infrared sensor is amazing. You can then download it. I guess you can connect it. You can connect it directly here. You see, it has a USB-C, and then download it to your computer so that you can see the files. These files are only going to be important when you need them, because sometimes you're going to record hours and hours of this. It's going to be uneventful, and you're not going to need evidence of anything. But if you did, it's perfect to have it. So this is super recommended. This is also, it comes with an extra SD card reader, and I super recommend this, especially for drivers, for delivery people, for security guards. It's amazing. And it has sound, so it's not just video but also audio. Super recommended.